it's Lisa. How are you all doing today? I have my Soul Sampler box. I have not seen any videos online. I haven't seen any spoilers on Instagram, so this is going to be a total surprise for me and for you if you haven't seen what's in this month's July Soul Sampler box. Before I unbox this, I just want to let you know I am having a giveaway on my channel. I did a video yesterday, and it's a mixture of beauty and books and candles and stuff like that. So if you're interested in entering that giveaway, go check it out. So let's get started. I haven't even cut the tape. And let's see what we got. Ooh, excited. I don't know why. I get excited for this box every month. I just hope I like it and I'm not disappointed. All right. Oh, this is cute. Here we go. It is called Patio Picnic, July 2020. You see that? So I'm removing the card, and there is a promo code for 20% off jelly rolls or 2.5-inch strips. I'm sorry, I can't share that promo code. I got screamed at once for doing it, so I don't want to do it again. Here's what's in the box. I'm also going to put that down and come back to it later. Okay, the first thing we have looks like paper triangles. They are half square triangles, 1-inch finish half square triangles. It makes 630. There you go. I've never tried paper triangles, using this as a stabilizer and to sew right on top of it. So I'm actually pretty curious to use it. We'll see. So far, so good. The next notion looks like some kind of pins. I'm going to have to take a look at what this is. Some of them are double pins. I'm not really familiar with it, so that's good. They are Magic Pin Sampler Pack. The Magic Pin, it's heat resistance, comfort grip that are brightly colored so you can always find them. Then this 19-piece Magic Pins Sampler Pack includes quilting pins, fork pins, patchwork pins, and extra long pins, and comes in a convenient case. Okay, while I'm at it, this is worth $12.98. So there you go, another view. Never used this before. It looks cool. I'll add it to my pin collection because I have thousands of pins probably. All right, I'm not going to get to the fabric just yet. This is kind of cool. This is a self-adhering reusable tape. Sticks to itself, not to your stuff. It's 50-foot rolled and 1/2 inch wide. Take a look at that. So again, I've never seen this before. It can probably be used for any kind of craft project. It says crafts, cords, needlework, wood, paper, supplies, games, fishing, sports equipment, boxes, and many more. So, it's tightening tape. You cut it, you stretch and overlap, tighten tape around items, producing light tension. Flatten all overlapping tape to each other, smoothing it together. All right, I'm interested in trying this. This would be also good for my husband as well. It looks kind of quite sturdy. I think I would stick this maybe on a back of a roller so it wouldn't slip. And here is the fabric. It's a jelly roll by Riley Blake Designs, Shades of Summer. Ooh, actually it looks pretty substantial, and it's in plastic. I don't really want to open it, but I can just tell looking at the patterns I like it. Oh, maybe I will open it. It is valued at $17.98. It's adorable 21-piece roly-poly pops of all brights, reds, yellows, and teals, and grass greens. It's actually very charming. If you like, all right, I'm going to open it for you guys. Don't say I never did anything for you. It is really pretty. So this is the best part of the whole box. I'm going to keep it in the jelly roll. But as you can see, it's flowery and it does come in really nice colors. I like it a ton. Really nice. So let's look at the pattern that we get with it because, ooh, that's adorable. Totally. Okay. It's a quilt pattern. Isn't that adorable? It's like a picnic blanket. You can make it into a throw, 35 inches, 35.5 inches by 35.5 inches, or a lap quilt, 63.5 inches by 63.5. So there's two options. I'm not sure what the larger lap one, if this one could take the whole thing. It would be nice. It's hard to tell if this, all right, oh, cool. This is what you get for the throw version. You just have to order your backing. Wait a second. It's really hard to tell. I think this could also be enough for the lap version as well. And then you just order for the lap version 4 1/8 yards of backing, and then for the throw 1 1/2 yards of backing. I actually like both. It's really cute. So obviously you're going to need to buy fabric for these solid squares, but you might already have fabric in your stash for that kind of stuff. So score, I really do like it a lot. And then of course here is the greatest hits card, which I'm not partaking in this. I barely have enough time to just do regular projects lately. I've been doing a lot of reading. And here's something on the pins, the magic pins, which, all right, we'll see how magical they are. I'm willing to try it. I usually use Wonder Clips. So what did you think of the box? I absolutely love the fabric. Let's just do a recap. So the fabric is, I'm just going to round up, $18 for this Jolly roll. And then we got the 1 inch half square triangle paper. That's $10.98 for this. The magic pins are $12.98. They must be really magical at almost $13. And then the tape, Hugo's Amazing Tape, is $7.24. And then the pattern is valued at $10. And then the greatest hits pattern is $4.98 for this card. So I like the box a lot. I really like the fabric, like I said. I haven't tried this. I'm going to try it. Maybe I'll like it. Try it, you'll like it. So speaking about trying it, try to like my channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love new subscribers and I love your comments. Tell me what you thought of the box. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.